Project REACH aims to be a low-cost prosthetic incorporating object detection with force feedback, allowing the user to correctly and precisely pick up the object they're attempting to. The first step was to model the hand in SOLIDWORKS, allowing us to see how the hand would function and the joints would articulate.
Working hard.
After modeling and printing the hand, assembly became the next big hurdle. We chose to use 5 precision DC motors with micro gearboxes to allow for high enough torque and a small enough form factor. The tendon tension had to be carefully calibrated to ensure that all fingers would properly articulate. Next came training for the image classifier. 4 objects were selected for this test: Jones soda, a Rubik's Cube, a whiteboard eraser, and an egg. For each of these objects, training data had to be acquired and bounding boxes manually placed over every single image. At this point, the inference model could be ran on the Pi, identifying objects in front of the camera. Once an object is correctly identified, data about the force required is parsed from a file and sent to the Arduino via USB. At this point, the Arduino begins to control the motors, activating them until the appropriate force is met. Data from the force sensors is visualized in real time and is used to ensure the system is running properly.
It just works the way it ought to.
I can't even see your head.
Look at my head.